Hey everybody, were you aware that just like your car, your home needs service too? Let's talk about that this week on Destry TV. So look, once you buy a home, most people quickly realize there is no service light on your house. That rarely is there even an owner's manual that's going to tell you what your maintenance schedule is for anything. And usually there's no owner's manual that's going to tell you what you have to maintain and when, so you can avoid those costly repairs. And of course you can buy a home warranty. I think they cost probably $500 or $600. You can, you can do that. The challenge will always be they're typically going to send you the cheapest repairman to do the worst work with even cheaper parts, or even worse, they're going to call it pre-existing and they're just not going to cover it. So I wrote down a couple of ideas that I want you to think about when you're trying to figure out what to do to maintain your home. So I wrote these down for you. First one, start your AC twice during the winter months. Okay? I know it's winter, you don't need your AC, but start it up. Let those systems get functioning and get everything moving, so when summer comes around, they're not shocked into action. Number two is have your chimney cleaned every 2 years. That'll get rid of all that tar and creosote and eliminate any possibility of a fire. The third one I wrote down is clean your rain gutters every summer. I don't care if you don't have any trees in your yard, clean them, because you'll be surprised what you find in a rain gutter. You'll find mice, you'll find stuff from the neighbor's kids, all kinds of stuff, and all those things will plug up your gutters, okay? Furnace filters, change them twice a year. If you have pets, even more often. I will tell you that you can't imagine the number of times I've gone into a home and seen a furnace filter that is so coated with stuff, it's basically solid matter. Garbage disposal. I know this one's crazy, but once a month, fill it full of ice and run it. That will clean it out and it will sharpen the blades. Your water heater, partially drain it every year. Just drain about half the water out. It'll push the sediment out and it'll make it be more efficient and it'll last longer. The other one is your roof. Try to check that every single year for missing or slipped roof tiles. Most of us in California have some sort of a tile roof, and those tiles do slip and slide and crack. And if you don't ever pay attention to it, usually what happens is that felt gets exposed, sun hits it, cooks it, and then when the water comes, it goes right on through. Now, I actually have a list of about 20 or so of these maintenance items, and if you want it, I can always send it to you. But these are things you definitely want to do. And remember, change your oil as well in your car. We'll talk to you next week on Destry TV.